Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take screenshots without buttons on OnePlus Nord for 5G. In order to use gestures, in order to capture screenshot, you need to use 3 fingers. If you swipe your 3 fingers from the top towards the bottom, like so, then you will capture the screenshot. You can also press and hold your 3 fingers on the screen in order to take the partial screenshot, and while holding, you can scroll down in order to select the area that you want to capture. Of course, later on you can adjust the size of the screenshot, what you want to capture. And let's actually remove this screenshot for now. And another thing that you can do is simply press and hold and then release the button in order to then drag to select a rectangular area like so. So this is another way to take a partial screenshot. If those gestures don't work for you, you need to go to the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down and go to accessibility and convenience, select screenshot, and over here you have those gestures that you can enable and disable. So make sure that they are enabled. You can also go to tutorial in order to find more about those screenshots. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.